Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today we're working on Audi E-Tron, and we've installed a detachable swan neck tow bar as well as a 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. I'm going to show you exactly how to detach the tow bar in today's video, as well as what the electrics look like, plus the whole finished install. First of all, before we get cracking on that, what's involved in doing an install on the Audi E-Tron? First of all, it's obviously done here at our workshop facilities in Cambridge. We remove the bumper completely, remove the factory crash beam, then bolt the new tow bar in its place into factory bolt positions. They're all torqued up according to manufacturer's spec, and then all of the electrics goes in. The electrics is very important actually. It's what's called a dedicated wiring loom. So it goes into given points according to manufacturer, which means it's all safe in terms of adapting fuel systems, braking systems. As soon as you start towing a cycle carrier, a trailer, a caravan, whatever it might be that you want your tow bar to be used for, it means that you guys are safe when driving the vehicle on UK roads. In terms of the actual neck here and the electrics that's mounted here, I'll show you what it looks like, how easy it is to detach, and then also down how the electrics hide away. There's a little dust flap that sits on the side here. It comes with 2 keys. Basically, you put the key in like so, turn it away from you, and then that allows you to actually push in the actual neck itself, and then it detaches. So once that neck is actually out, that can be stored away in your boot. There is a little cover that actually sits in its place to stop dirt and stuff going up. That's inside the boot at the moment. The electrics, so that's 7-pin at the moment. We do 7-pin or 13-pin dedicated electrics on these vehicles. One really cool thing, the electrics fold away really nicely, plus then your car pretty much goes back to a stock look. When you want to re-engage your actual neck into the vehicle, you line it up with the hole, spring loaded, away you go, key away from you to lock it, and key out, dust flap covering, and then attach what you need to attach, and away you go, you're ready to tow. So if you're interested in something similar on your Audi E-Tron or any vehicle for that matter, make sure you get in contact with us. All of our details are in the description below, but thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.